Hey girl, this goes out to the beautiful girls. Which one of y'all? Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Which one? Which one of y'all? Could I love you plus I never make you minus? If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Take it out, love it every day. I'm a dancer, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, Jay.
What's up, y'all? So on my way to work, I just got ready. Anyways, let me go before I be late. What the fuck it do? Oh my god, that seatbelt thing gonna piss me off. Please shut the fuck up. Thank you. I'm on the way to work, but before I go to work, y'all know I gotta get me something to eat. I gotta run to Five Below to see if I can find this clipper for my dog. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to work or when I get my food, whichever. I don't know. I'm gonna be late to work anyways, regardless. I'm always late. That's not the point. That's not the point. This is literally what I go through every time I'm driving to work. So I don't be late for fun. I'm not looking around. So don't even think about it.
Never made me leave, yeah. Every time.
So of course I left. I only went in there for that one thing. I told myself I was not going shopping. It's not shopping day. You need to be going to work. I got to show y'all how I'm fucking this food up. Of course, I got a large sweet tea, extra ice. It gets so dark early now. Like, the time didn't go back an hour. I don't want to hear that. It went back 3 hours. It's 6 o'clock, and the sun is already down. You're either going to get McDonald's, and it's going to be like, ugh. Or you're going to get it, and it's going to bust. And it's busting. It buzzed. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to listen to my music. I'm gonna see y'all at work. Well, I just made it to work, and I'm like, let me clean out my fanny pack. Look at all these hookah tips I just found. I ain't bad. Y'all know the vibes. Waiting on people to come. I'm guessing it's a party. I ain't been here in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Y'all, it's fucking raining. I know y'all see that. It's raining, so I don't know how this shit gonna go. But I look cute. And you know I gotta stay with my cup of ice. This is a dead ass Friday. It's 9 o'clock. I still ain't get one table yet. Like, this is the reality of this shit. What do I want? I'ma just get one. I'll take the Hershey's. Too much. This bitch is funny, bruh. This bitch said I ain't make $2 yet. I still bought one because when you give, you get. It's a chicken salad. I'm gonna take the rest of my shot. Ah! Don't come in here thinking you finna get shit for free. Pay up. Pay up. Y'all, it's so dead. I technically got one table, only made $20. It's 10 o'clock. I've been here since 6. Where the fuck y'all at? I didn't show y'all my work outfit today. I'm not wearing these pants with it, of course, but give me something to eat like always. Thank you. Y'all, it's 5:57. I'm supposed to be to work at 6, so how do I do this every day? Can this shit shut the fuck up? It do this every single time. You know I'm not putting my seatbelt on, so why you be bitching? Hopefully I get some better footage today, because yesterday was trash. I surprisingly made $180 because this man tipped me $100. I didn't even serve him. He just gave me money because he said I was cute. So I love that. Like, I love the pretty privilege where you don't have to do anything. When a nigga got money, he just give it to you. And it's crazy because I wasn't making no money. This little girl, she always come up and sell chocolates. So, like, I didn't make no money, but I'm finna buy the chocolate because when you give, you get. And I literally said that in that same night. Like, I was about to leave. Got $100 before I left. If that ain't God, I don't know what is. But, so this is my work outfit. Y'all, I'm at work and y'all already know what I'm doing. Hookah queen.
Hey girl, this goes goes out to the beautiful girls. Which one of y'all? Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Which one? Which one of y'all? Which one of y'all go home with Trigger? I see you in the club, who shouted? Walking past a nigga, looking at me all naughty. Then I said, baby, what's up?